Let us channelize our baby energy. They keep on playing, they keep on creating mess, but they never listen to us. Is it so difficult to engage a baby? Coloring, painting, what all we have tried, but they don't listen. Now let us play with them their way. Let us engage them where they actually want to be engaged. Let's see. Ask them to water plants. Children are very much fond of, spilling water over here and there. So why not let's channelize this task in the right manner? We can always ask them to plant water once or twice a day. So what if water spill over the floor? Teach them cleaning too. It's very simple, and once you teach them, they can do it on their own too. The next activity is you can engage your child in laundry. You can ask them to put the clothes that are supposed to be washed, put them in the washing machine. They love doing all these tasks, because they love doing what you are actually doing. You can engage child by giving them toys, but they actually don't play with them. They might play with it for some time, maybe half an hour or an hour, but they so engage them
What is
that
this?
way only.
Potato.
The next is
And there is
sorting
onion?
of vegetables. This is very fun activity, and I'm sure kids
Onion. Okay, now
really
put
enjoy
all onion in
this.
this, okay?
What we can do is we
Only
can give them an
onion.
empty basket, and the other one
Put onion.
filled with vegetables.
Find out all onions
and we
and
can
put
ask
in
them
this.
to sort them. And this is going to be a new experience for them. Maybe they spill it over the floor, they can take it and run away, but slowly and gradually, they learn things. They will learn counting by this way. They will learn to sort the things. They can differentiate between the vegetables, and it is really engaging. This way they really have fun. You can see in the video that my child really loves doing what I all do. So, and I believe that all children are like this only. So why not we engage them the right way?
That's okay. You can keep it like
Maybe
twice
this
only.
is
Keep it that
going
way,
to be
Shanu.
tough,
That's
but
okay.
I think we will
Now
someday
good. You
win
separated
it.
the trash.
We will be successful in engaging them. Oh, Shalva is loving that.
No aloo.
Ask your child to serve utensils on the table. It is going to be really good for them and a help to you too. The another activity is the box activities. Give them boxes, let them explore on their own. Let them play, let them see what all they can do with it.
Fix it properly, Shanu. Close it properly. Yeah, putting it the wrong way. Good. Let them do their things on their own so that they're able to take decision and they're able to make out their own things. Whatever they are doing is right or wrong. Let them judge on their own. Let them decide. Guide them only when you think that they are stuck somewhere. Else, let them keep on trying. Let them keep on trying. Good. You fixed all. It seems that he has done it in no time. Doesn't matter. But he can spend an hour doing this activity, you know. He can continue doing this for an hour.
This is called exploring. You just don't have to ask them to only close the boxes. It is their choice. They can fix it, they can unblock it, or they want to make a stacking game. Let them decide. Just give away the things. Let them have fun. See, I don't have to tell my Shanu how to do things. You know, you can always leave your child. Leave. See how he will explore things. And this way you can keep them busy also. Right? Without cost. Free of cost. Absolutely free of cost. And the best thing, your work is also done, you know. Mommies? What, Shanu? What are you counting? Are you counting? They can learn counting also in this. See, giving them dabbas. How many things he did? He learned closing the lids. He learned stacking. And now he's thinking what next he can do with this. He's trying to see whether he can fix it or not. Oh no. Oh no. So mom, this is just an example to show. Oh great, Chanu. This is just an example to show all of you that it's not tough to keep your baby engaged. All you need is have some patience. Yes, Shanu? Okay. Good. Very good. Oh, good. You know, he's going to be busy for next 1 hour with these dabbas. So I hope this video is helpful to you, mommies. Please give it a try, okay? Don't make your child YouTube zombies. Engage them the right way.